Is the Goldman Sachs app throwing a digital tantrum, leaving you locked out of your finances? First things first, let's check the basics. A simple restart can often work wonders. Completely close the Goldman Sachs app by swiping it away from your recent app screen. Then try reopening it. If that doesn't do the trick, it's time to investigate your internet connection. Ensure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or have a strong cellular data signal. Try toggling your Wi-Fi off and on, or switching to cellular data if you're on Wi-Fi and vice versa. Next, let's make sure your app is up to date. Go to your device's app store, search for Goldman Sachs, and see if there's an update available. Installing the latest version often resolves bugs and performance issues. Sometimes, a glitch within the app's temporary data can cause problems. Clearing the app's cache can help for Android users. Go to your device settings, then apps, find Goldman Sachs, and tap storage, followed by clear cache for iOS. You might need to offload the app. Go to settings, general, iPhone storage, select Goldman Sachs, and then offload app. Reinstalling the app will also clear data. If none of these initial steps resolve the issue, it's possible there's a temporary service outage. You can check the official Goldman Sachs social media channels or their website for any announcements regarding app maintenance or known issues. Still no luck? The most direct route is often the best. Reach out to Goldman Sachs customer support. They have dedicated teams ready to assist you with specific account or app-related problems. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to get your Goldman Sachs app back in working order and manage your accounts with ease. Happy investing.